The Aston Martin DB5 is a grand touring sports car produced by Aston Martin from 1963 to 1965. Styled by Federico Formenti of Carrozzeria Touring Superleggera, the DB5 was an evolution of the previous DB4 model. The DB5 is known in mass media for being the vehicle of choice of British spy James Bond, first appearing in Goldfinger. Bond's DB5 is equipped with various gadgets fitted to the vehicle by Q Branch. The gadgets were conceived by special effects artist John Steers. Based on the Goldfinger car, were produced by Aston Martin in 2020. These cars were created in collaboration with EON Productions. Aston Martin used the same manufacturers to manufacture parts for the cars wherever possible.